Are you inundated with yarn, project remnants, discount bin bargains, the gifted, the thrifted, and a stash of other odds and ends of unknown origins? This series aims to bust that stash with quick, simple tutorials that use only small amounts of yarn. Welcome to the Scrap Stash. Hey everyone, welcome to Skein Spider and to another Halloween pattern. Today we're going to be making a Grim Reaper, so grab your hooks and let's get started. To make this pattern, you're going to need a 3mm hook, scissors, stitch markers, a needle, pins, stuffing, and 8-ply yarn in a colour or colours of your choice. To make the body, you're going to need your black yarn, and we're going to begin by putting 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 4 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. Round 5 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 6 is 2 single crochet and an increase, and then a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 2 single crochet. Round 7 is worked entirely into the back loops, and we're going to do 36 single crochet in the back loops only. Rounds 8 through to 12 are just going to be 36 single crochet. Round 13 is 10 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Rounds 14 to 16 are going to be 33 single crochet. Round 17 is 9 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Rounds 18 and 19 are 30 single crochet. Round 20 is 8 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Rounds 21 and 22 are 27 single crochet. Round 23 is 7 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. And round 24 is the last round, and it's just 6 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. To make the hood, you use your black yarn and start by putting 4 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase. Round 3 is 5 single crochet. Round 4 is 4 single crochet followed by an increase. Round 5 is 6 single crochet. Round 6 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 7 is 8 single crochet. Round 9 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 9 is 10 single crochet. Round 10 is 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 11 is 12 single crochet. Round 12 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 13 is 15 single crochet. Round 14 is 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 15 is 18 single crochet. Round 16 is 6 single crochet followed by 6 increases, and finish the round with 6 single crochet. Rounds 17 and 18 are 24 single crochet. Round 19 is 6 single crochet, and then we're going to do a pattern repeat of 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Finish off with 6 single crochet. Round 20 is 30 single crochet. Round 21 begins with 6 single crochet, and then we're going to do a pattern repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase done 6 times. Finish off with 6 single crochet. Round 22 is 36 single crochet. Round 23 begins with 9 single crochet, and then a pattern repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Finish off the round with 9 single crochet. Round 24 is 42 single crochet. Round 25 is 9 single crochet, and then a pattern repeat of 3 single crochet, 1 increase done 6 times. Finish off with 9 single crochet. And then rounds 26 through to 34 are just going to be 48 single crochet. Finish off and leave a fairly long tail for sewing. For the arms, you're going to need both your black and white yarn. You're going to begin with the black and put 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Rounds 3 to 5 are 12 single crochet. Round 6 is 11 single crochet, 1 increase. Round 7 is 13 single crochet. Round 8 is 12 single crochet, 1 increase. Round 9 is 14 single crochet. Round 10 is 13 single crochet, 1 increase. Round 11 is 15 single crochet. Round 12 is worked entirely into the front loops, so put 15 single crochet in the front loops only. Round 13 is 4 single crochet, 1 increase done 3 times. You're going to finish off round 13 in the black by doing a slip stitch and then leaving a fairly long tail for sewing. At this point you can add some stuffing to the arm, and once you've done that, grab your hook and you're going to insert it into one of the exposed back loops from round 12. It doesn't matter which stitch number, as long as you go into one of the exposed back loops. Once you've done that, bring in your white yarn and you're going to join the white yarn by doing a slip stitch. The first stitch of round 13 in the white is going to be a single crochet into the same stitch that you just slip stitched into. And then round 13 is going to be 3 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeated 3 times. Round 14 is going to be the final round in the white, and it's just 6 decreases. Finish off with the white yarn and weave that in. Don't weave in the end of your black yarn. To make the fingers, use your white yarn and then you're going to put 4 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 4 single crochet, round 3 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase, and then rounds 4, 5 and 6 are just going to be 5 single crochet, or you could do 15 single crochet consecutively. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. You're going to need to make 6 fingers, 3 for each hand. To make the eye, use your black yarn and start by making a magic circle. And then into the magic circle, you're going to crochet 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. Then we're going to do a picot stitch. To do that, you're going to single crochet first and then chain 3 into the back bump of the first chain that you made, so not the front or the back loop, but the little bump behind the stitch on the back. You're going to put a single crochet into that. Then you're going to continue on with 1 more single crochet into the magic circle. After that 1 single crochet, we're going to do another picot stitch. To finish off, just slip stitch into the original single crochet that you did. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. You can also add some detail to the eyes if you like. To make the teeth, you're also going to need your white yarn. We're going to begin with a chain, but then we're going to work in the round. Begin by chaining 5. Round 1 is going to begin with 3 single crochet and then 3 single crochet put all in the last stitch. You're going to rotate your work and work back down the other side of the chain and repeat the same pattern. So 3 single crochet and then in the last stitch put 3 single crochet all in that 1 stitch. This should give you 12 stitches in your round. Round 2 is worked entirely into the back loops and you're going to do 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice, and then rounds 3 and 4 are just 14 single crochet. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. For the head, you're going to need your white yarn and we're going to begin by putting 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 4 is 1 single crochet and then an increase, and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. Round 5 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 6 is 2 single crochet and then an increase, followed by 4 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 2 single crochet. Round 7, 8 and 9 are just going to be 36 single crochet. Round 10 is 10 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Rounds 11 and 12 are 33 single crochet. Round 13 is 9 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 14 is 30 single crochet. For round 15, you're going to begin with 8 single crochet, and then the next 3 stitches are going to be worked in the front loop. So in the first front loop, you're going to do 1 increase. In the second front loop, you're going to do a half double crochet increase. That's just 2 half double crochet in the same stitch. and then in the third front loop you're just going to do another increase. After this we're going to work into both loops again, and we're going to do 7 single crochet. The next 3 stitches are again going to be worked into the front loops. In the first front loop, do 1 increase. In the second front loop, do a half double crochet increase. And then in the third front loop, do 1 increase. To finish off round 15, we're going to work into both loops again, and we're going to finish with 9 single crochet. Round 16 is 36 single crochet, round 17 is 13 single crochet, 1 decrease and then 4 single crochet, another decrease, and finish with 15 single crochet. Round 18 is worked entirely into the back loops, so put 34 single crochet in the back loops only. Round 19 is 6 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 4 times. You should have 2 stitches left in your round. We're going to single crochet into both of those. Round 20 is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. At the end of round 20, secure your end and begin to stuff the head. And once you've done that, we're going to continue with round 21, which is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then 2 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 5 times, finishing off with 1 single crochet. Round 22 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times, and then round 23, the final round, is just 6 decreases. Finish off and weave in your end. To make the handle of the scythe, put 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase. Round 3 is worked into the back loop only, so put 7 single crochet entirely into the back loops. Round 7 through to 30 are just going to be 7 single crochet. But you can make the handle longer if you'd like by just adding additional rounds of 7 single crochet. Whenever you're finished crocheting, the next round, so for me that's going to be round 31, is again worked entirely into the back loops, and it's just going to be 7 single crochet. And our final round, which for me is round 32, is just going to be 1 decrease followed by 5 single crochet. Finish off and weave in your end. The blade of the scythe begins with 4 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 4 single crochet. Round 3 is 1 increase followed by 3 single crochet. Round 4 is just 5 single crochet. Round 5 is 2 increases followed by 3 single crochet. Round 6 is 7 single crochet. Round 7 is 2 increases followed by 2 single crochet, then 1 decrease and finish with 1 single crochet. Round 8 is 8 single crochet. Round 9 is 1 single crochet and then 2 increases, 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, finish off with 1 single crochet. Round 10 is 9 single crochet. Round 11 is 2 single crochet, 2 increases, 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, and finishing off with 1 single crochet. Rounds 10 through to 16 are just going to be 10 single crochet. But like with the handle, if you'd like to make the blade longer, just add additional rounds of 10 single crochet. When you're finished, just leave a tail for sewing. We're going to begin assembling Grim by first sewing the teeth to the face. First, make sure that the cheeks in the head are facing forward, and you're going to center the teeth between the cheeks and place them in line with the exposed front loops from round 19. Pin them in place and then sew those on. Next we're going to add the eyes. The top of the eyes should sit between rounds 7 and 8 of the head, approximately 2 stitches apart at their widest point down the bottom. When you're happy with the placement of those, go ahead and sew those on as well. The last thing we're going to do on the head is add some details, so you can thread your needle with some black yarn and add some teeth marks. You can also do a nose and some rosy cheeks if you'd like. Once that's done, we're going to set the head inside the hood. You can push the head as far back as you'd like. Once you've got it in a position you're happy with, what we're going to do is thread our needle with the tail end of the hood and then weave that end through the top of the head down to the bottom. Once you've pushed the needle through both the bottom of the head and the bottom of the hood, you're going to sew across the bottom of the hood, attaching it to the head just to keep it secure. Once that's done, weave in the end and snip it off. After the hood's attached, we're going to sew the body to the bottom of the head, and after that we're going to attach the arms. Before we do that, however, we're going to sew 3 fingers to each arm. Before we sew on the fingers, if you'd like, you can add some pipe cleaner or wire to the fingers to make them posable. We're going to take the tail end of our fingers and sew 3 on to the end of each arm. So those 2 rounds of white crochet we did, we're just going to sew the fingers along one of the edges, pressed as close together as you can. When the fingers are sewn on, we're going to sew the arms to the body. Before you can sew the arms on, we just have to take that tail end from where we finished off with our black yarn and weave it back up the arm until it emerges from the center of round 1, and then we can use that to sew the arm on. Where you place them is entirely up to you, but I like to have one arm down alongside the body and one arm that's going to be holding the scythe sticking out. So choose where you'd like the arms to be, pin them in place, and then sew those on. The last thing we need to put together is the scythe, so take the blade and place that at the top of the handle as far up as you'd like. Once it's in a position that you're happy with, pin it in place, sew it on, and then our Grim Reaper is pretty much done. There's only one step left, but it's optional, and that is you can sew the scythe to the Grim Reaper's hand. Just thread your needle with some white yarn and sew it on. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. There's only 2 more Halloween patterns to go, so I will see you tomorrow with the next one.